Hello, and welcome to the Mall Locator YouTube channel. If you're a fan of exploring the best shopping destinations, top-rated bowling alleys, and amazing restaurants, you've come to the right place. What you'll find on our channel: enclosed malls, discover a curated list of the best enclosed malls around. Open-air malls, explore the charm and variety of open-air shopping experiences. Top-rated bowling alleys, check out our picks for the top-rated bowling alleys that offer fun for everyone. Top 5 restaurants, uncover the best dining spots that you simply must try. But that's not all. We also have a website where you can find more information and resources: www.themalllocator.com. And don't miss our podcast show on Spotify called Mall Talk, so much to see and listen to, where we dive deeper into all things shopping, dining, and entertainment. Thank you for joining our community. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Stay connected, stay curious, and happy exploring.